Water is fast becoming a scarce resource globally. In South Africa, irrigated agriculture uses approximately 62% of the country's surface water resources. As competition for this much sought-after resource is growing, a concerted effort to find appropriate irrigation strategies that are beneficial for saving water and ultimately improving crop yield is paramount. In the last few decades, the spread of wireless communication technologies in general, especially the introduction of handheld individual smart mobile phones, has been revolutionary. The exponential growth, faster data transmission speeds of at least 200 kilobits per second, have given rise to an unprecedented spreading of technology beyond our imagination. The untapped potential of mobile smart app technology in the water space is enormous. Resting on the premise that water as a shared resource is critical for development, mobile phone applications have a great enabling function, especially in developing countries. With the availability of mobile telephone networks in most of the known world, development leaps are occurring in areas that were previously bypassed. The CSIR Water Centre has become a key driver in relevant water innovation technologies. Innovation at the Water Centre is driven by defining, understanding and developing relevant bespoke business solutions. The results of the in-situ data acquired by CSIR leading water experts gave rise to driving a novel approach set on creating value via the use of a user-friendly smartphone application to display and illustrate the planned scheduling of farm irrigation systems 7 days in advance. This is the Smart app. When installed on your smartphone, it's easy to use and can be taken anywhere with useful little functions like GPS tracking, pop-up notifications, and quantification indexes. This water application is compatible with any smartphone and enables an easy-step calibration process that is able to predict apple orchard water irrigation requirements by using online weather forecasts and appropriate crop coefficients beginning from 1 to 7 days in advance. The main advantage of these applications is specific data delivery and sharing at any point of a network, including the most remote areas. These adaptive, cross-platform enabled devices equip individual stakeholders with a trustworthy platform to not only address apple orchard challenges, but also to see results in real time, whether on the actual farm or via camera from a remote location. What do we need to maximize the full potential of this app? First, a well-functioning smartphone. Secondly, the app requires about 50 megabytes of space on the smartphone to successfully download and install the free CSIR Smart Water app. Thereafter, the farmer is prompted to complete a short form with information that is specific to each orchard. This does not include the data to operate the app. Separate data bundles are required, and thereafter, a fair amount of data to execute the app's functionality effectively. The data collection metrics include, but are not limited to, orchard microclimate, transpiration, sap flow, evapotranspiration, SWB and eddy covariance, irrigation. The smartphone app developed in this study has the potential to improve irrigation scheduling and water allocation planning, provide detailed forecasts of the actual orchard evapotranspiration and its components. The performance of the current version against field measurements can be described as fair. However, further testing and improvements are needed if this tool is to evolve into a commercially operational product.